Today is Friday, October 7th, 2022. This is the Tropic Watch Tropical Weather Discussion covering newly formed Tropical Storm Julia. Hurricane hunters found this morning that Tropical Depression 13 had become Tropical Storm Julia. Currently, we are seeing heavy convection building on the west side of the system, and further intensification is expected. There are hurricane warnings up for San Andreas Islands just off the coast of Nicaragua. A hurricane watch is in effect for the entire coastal area of Nicaragua, and a tropical storm watch is in effect for northeastern coastal areas of Honduras. The system is expected to become a hurricane by Saturday. This has been the Tropic Watch Tropical Storm discussion for the morning of October 7th, 2022.